We know that material A costs $3 per kilogram. Material B costs $5. If if 10 kilograms of material K consist of X of A and Y of B, is X greater than Y? So we know that X plus Y equals 10. And we're trying to figure out if X is greater than Y. So we can use that, or we can get that down to one variable, because we know X plus Y equal 10. Y would be 10 minus X. Substitute in for Y, 10 minus X. Add X to both sides. You get 2X greater than 10. X is greater than 5. So what's in black, except when I've rewritten what, over in some blue, that's what's given. So we're trying to figure out, is X greater than Y? Or we can look at it as think about, is X greater than 5? Well, X is greater than 5. So let's look. Clue 1. Y is greater than 4. Okay, look at this. We don't know anything about X in that clue. X is greater than Y. That's not going to help us. We know Y is greater than 4, but we do not know anything at all about X. So that clue does not work. Clue 2. The cost of 10 kilograms of material K is less than 40. The cost. So $3 per kilogram. So 3X plus 5Y is less than 40. Okay? All right. So we're trying to figure out X is greater than Y, or equivalently X greater than 5. So we know 3X plus 5, another name for Y, is 10 minus X is less than 40. So 3X plus 50 minus 5X is less than 40. That's negative 2X is less than negative 10. X is greater than 5. Yes, we knew that, and clue 2 showed me that. So my answer is B.